Yeah, welcome back to another day of working on van troubles. I'm gonna start ripping all this stuff off. I just ordered the new AC condenser is what that thing is. And we're gonna do a little breakdown of taking everything apart as much as I can. Here we go. Got a new one of these on the way. You can definitely see where it's leaking. People say these are hard to take off here. So I soaked those down with some stuff. All right, back at it, another day here. Yesterday I loosened up a lot of stuff and sprayed some stuff on here so that these aren't as much of a hassle. Today I got some cleaning products. I'm gonna clean a lot of this stuff out while we're opened up. Let's get to it. Okay, went and bought a new wrench to try and get this thing apart, but I ended up stripping it and I just broke it to get it apart for now so I can start taking out everything. And I started cleaning stuff up. Okay, so taking everything apart. The intercooler here. This side. And then up into there. Yeah, it kind of has some oil going on down there from the turbo. This hose does have some stuff coming out of it. And then the one I'm most worried about, I mean, it's still that same hose, but just up here at the EGR, look at how much crud is dripping out of there. The EGR doesn't look terrible, but it definitely is like dirty up in there. And if that's the air intake and there's like oil, I just don't understand it. So yeah, we're gonna start busting out these new boxes and putting all the new stuff on there. And then hopefully everything goes together easy peasy. We have all the pieces, it's just fine. When I took this upper hose off right here, this one, it started dripping like crazy. Oil was coming out of it. I assume it was oil, but yeah, tons of black stuff was dripping out of this one. So that's not good. And then when I took the AC condenser thingy off, this piece didn't come with it. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way to take that piece off. That's gonna be a pain in the butt. Other than that, everything's doing okay. Going smooth. It's not as smooth as can be, but smooth as you want it to be. This did come with a little bit of stuff happening. I don't know if that's okay or if it's bad for it. That's how it was sent to me. Right now I can't figure out which side is up. This writing up would indicate that it goes like this. I think that's the correct way. Oh, it looks like they're exactly the same. It doesn't say an in and an out. Okay, I'm worried now. Something's not right. Maybe I had it flipped upside down. All right, connecting some sensors back up. That doesn't seem to be the tightest fit for a vacuum turbo system. Whatever. Okay, we'll see if I have this thing on the correct way this time. It looks like everything's lining up a lot better now. Get this out of the way. All right, almost dark. Let's get some of this stuff put together. Okay, now the hoses don't fit on the radiator. What's going on? It's a big struggle bus right now. No way. Gotta do everything twice. Dude, it doesn't even fit on here. This hose is the definitely wrong size. Bro, what's up? Fits on the turbo side. Not even close to fitting on that. Oh God. Okay, pretty bummed that today did not end with a success of putting everything back together. We got this one back on and it seems like that tube is big enough, but this tube is not big enough, not nearly close. So hopefully they send a new one like ASAP. But yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, more work. Hopefully we get stuff finished